Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mute. We have a new unit to try on from Sensationnel. Thank you so much to Sensationnel for sending this one out. She's from their Glueless collection and I have her in the style Full Lace Unit 8 in color 1B. So let's see what we got. Alright you guys, so as I said earlier, I have her in the style Full Lace Unit 8 in color 1B. And for the key features on her, she's a human hair and premium fiber blend, 100% hand-tied lace made with bare locks lace, 40% thinner lace for more transparent melting on the skin, luxurious look with natural movement and body. And for the cap feature, she comes with a pre-plucked hairline with smaller knots and baby hair, 100% hand-tied lace wig, glueless install with silicone lining and adjustable wig band. And for the special colors on her, we have caramel blonde, flamboyant urban, flamboyant chocolate, flamboyant mocha, and mocha brown. This is her straight out of the pack. She comes with one comb on each side, one at the back, the adjustable strap, the extra elastic band, which is also adjustable, and this is what the hairline looks like. It looks like it was plucked really nicely. We do have some baby hairs in there as well, and this one is a full lace wig, so you're going to be able to pack her up in a ponytail if you'd like that. And yeah, you guys, everything looks really good. I'm pretty excited to see how it turns out, so we're just going to head right into styling and I'll be back to share my thoughts with you guys.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. 'Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. Wait a minute, don't you leave before I get to kiss ya. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss ya. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. I should catch up on my reading. I should catch up on my eating. Yeah, but it's hard to keep a thought straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like? Yeah, I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. 'Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love. Wait a minute, don't you leave before I get to kiss ya. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss ya. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you, said a minute with you, said a minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you, said a minute with you, said a minute with you is all I want.
When I go with confidence, when I go with roll like hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, jam, jam.
So this is what we have after styling. And can we get into that lace? This is totally glueless, guys. The lace on this unit, absolutely flawless. Love, love, love it. As you guys saw, with styling, it wasn't anything too crazy. That lace melted in really, really nicely. As a beginner, you're definitely going to love this one because she's giving pop on your head and go kind of vibe. If your head is bigger than my 22.5 inches head, I don't think that this one is going to work for you because it does fit really snug and firm on my head, and I don't have so much wiggle room in there, and the ear tabs are my perfect size as well. So if your head is bigger than mine, then this one might fit a bit too snug for you. And I had to take out the wig cap that I had underneath because the lace on this one is really transparent. So I felt like the wig cap was showing, so I just decided to take it off. You could decide to do the bout cap method, but I never ever do that because I don't even know how to do it, for being honest. So I just took that off and just left my cornrows underneath, and that looks really, really good. And for shedding and tangling with her, I didn't really experience any form of shedding, but she did tangle a bit at the bottom part. And to be honest, I'm not really surprised because of how long this one is. I figured it was going to tangle up at the bottom part. And if that bothers me at some point, I'm just going to cut this one short because we have so much length going on, so we can afford to cut her short if it becomes a problem. And the texture is giving a soft silky feel. It feels really, really nice, and as you guys can see, it's not a lot of hair, but at the same time it's not scanty. I feel like this is just the right amount of volume that we need. So if you don't like so much hair and you don't like your units too full, I think this is such a great one to give a try. And just in case you're wondering how long she is, I'm 5'6" for reference, and this is where it gets to right here. So that's pretty much it, you guys. For my final thoughts on her, I think she's cute. She's giving special occasion, birthday girl kind of vibe, and I think beginners are going to love this one as well. As you can see, you don't have to worry about too much styling. You can install her by yourself. Just follow my steps and I think you're going to be fine. And I think she's such a versatile unit as well. You can decide to style her as a left or a right part, or maybe even as a ponytail. Since we don't have no tracks at the back, it is going to blend in really, really nicely. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'm going to have the direct links, every information that you need written in my description box. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, join the family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.